what you've done offline should be immediately reflected online, and it will make the right impact. Please understand, when you move from a village to a town, your lifestyle, your way of living, your challenges, your things are going to be again from the basics and scratch. So the same way, from you go from a seasoned business to bringing your business virtually available is again a journey where you go down to the basics. So for that, if you have to be the one to lead the story, you will have to be the one to lead the story. Most of the time, very commonly done mistakes by business owners, especially seasoned business owners, which even I did at one point of a time, was that I could hire a team to go about and do it in-house. They will just narrate a story about all that we have done in our past 5 years. Or I would hire a digital marketing firm to do that. And they can just give an introduction or a press release or a video from you of all that you have achieved. It doesn't happen. It's not magic. By just seeing one video being posted on a regular interval is not going to change the perspective of people, of the crowd out there who will come and say, okay, this business is ready to cater to us virtually. You will have to go down to basics, and basics is that every business starts with somebody behind it, leading it and heading it. Virgin, Richard Branson, Michael Dell, you name it. I've taken all their examples in the future slides. Steve Jobs, you name it, every single one. Don't look at what Apple does now, or Microsoft does now, or Google does now.